Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the site and parts so the build goes smoothly. First, confirm permits and mark utilities. You don't want surprises while digging. Next, place the pole base and lay out the luminaire, driver, photocell, conduit, and 4mm2 wire near the foundation so you can work efficiently. Once done, shut power and apply lockout/tagout. This protects you during electrical connections. Make sure tools and safety gear are ready before the concrete pour and pole installation. You now install the pole and perform the detailed electrical work. Position the pole on the cured foundation and tighten anchor bolts to the specified torque so the fixture remains stable in wind. Then run conduit and pole supply plus luminaire conductors, sealing each joint to prevent moisture ingress. This preserves driver life. Next, install the LED driver into the head, wire neutral, live, and earth using proper connectors, and fit the photocell. This enables automatic night sensing and reliable operation once energized. You finish by testing and sealing the installation so it lasts. Restore power and verify the photocell triggers the light at dusk or simulate with a cover. Inspect lumen output and beam aim, adjusting tilt as needed. Once satisfied, apply weatherproof sealant, tighten all fasteners, and label the circuit in the base for maintenance. If the light flickers or fails, first check driver input voltage and wiring continuity. Then confirm photocell orientation and a solid ground. These fixes resolve most startup issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.